Hey guys, welcome. And today we've got here with me is the Anker Powerconf H700, which is one of the, you can say, top of the line headset provided by Anker. Now let's talk about the build quality of this headset. It's not very premium looking headset, which it has like steels or anything to show off with, because basically it's just for professional use. And the plastic itself is very flexible, if you can see. Yeah. It's also got this soft cushions for the ears to rest on, and definitely I've used them, but not for a very long period, but for some amount of period, which I can say clearly that you can use this above 1 hour, maybe 2 hours or so, without any pains happening starting in your ears. So this is a very good thoughts put into it. It comes with a box as well, so you can purchase, you have two options to purchase this headset. One is with the charging stand and one is without it. So I don't know if without it you will get a box with it, but I purchased with the charging stand option. So basically it comes with the charging stand in the box, and this cover itself, travel case, inside it you will have of course a space for putting the headset in, and a small compartment where you can put your USB-C cable, and the other end is type A, and also an adapter for the type A to type C if you're having a type C charger. So it's a very good package with it, and a charging stand. So yeah, that comes in the box, and of course with some instruction manuals. So let's look at the right portion of the ear. What features or functions the buttons it's got is at the bottom we have a power button. Basically you can switch on and off, but you also can do pairing with it. Not alone, you can connect the headset to the laptop by USB-A dongle. You can connect this to your phone or tablet as well. And plus the headset also has a feature to connect two devices simultaneously, so you can use the laptop while listening to having a meeting or watching a video, and when a call comes on a phone you can also directly answer it with the push of a button, and you can have a word with your person. And on top we have the mute button. Basically this headset has three options to mute the participant or in the meeting, right? So either you can press this button, what I've told earlier, or you can lift the mic up. That's the second option. And third is to just pull the you can say the headset off, or just like away, this one, the right one, away. It has a sensor in it basically that detects a person. I can say a proximity sensor probably, that it will automatically mute. And lastly we have at the bottom the type C port where you can charge it, or beside it you can see those charging pins basically. So that's for the charging stand. So for the left side of the part is you have a, you can say, partial rotating dial with spring load, so it comes back to its position, where you can increase the volume and reduce the volume. The second thing which it has also is you can, like, with a single click, pause and play the video, double click to jump to the next video, and triple click to come to the previous video. One last is at the bottom is the ANC button. Basically it's got three options also in the ANC. One is of course the turn off without anything. Second is transparency mode, where you can have the ANC function on, blocking the environment sound, but you're grabbing the people's words, so it has this some AI functions in it itself. And the third option is the ANC full mode on, where you can block everything, and it does a pretty good job also in blocking the sound, definitely because it's needed functions, because it's not like the bigger cup that isolates your ear. So yeah, that's the buttons that it's got in this H700. So now it also comes with the charging stand, as I have told you earlier, and the charging stand is pretty amazing. It's got one thin LED light, blue one, so it's just informs you that it's there, it's powered on, and it's got those pins that you can connect to this headset, not like any other typical headset with charging stand that has a type C port, which will eventually get damaged while push it in. This one is a separate pins for it, so when you dock it, it's just easily gets inserted and it charges it. So that's a very good, well thought made into this charging stand. Now finally, with the audio and the mic sound, basically the audio is pretty good. Of course, we can't expect this to be a music headset. Definitely no isolation to the ear, but it does have a good bass though. And for the mic part, I made a video recording through my phone using this, so you can watch it as well. So the headset is connected to the phone through Bluetooth, and this is how it sounds right now with the mic. So lastly, let's talk about the software side. The Anker do provide Anker Work software for the laptop or the app itself, so you can further optimize and do some configuration to the headset, which I haven't installed it, but also it has an option to transcribe your meetings for I think 1,000 minutes for free, and later maybe it's like a subscription thing. So there's one addition thing for this. And finally, let's talk about the pricing of this headset. This headset costs now about $100. So if you guys are interested in purchasing it with the charging stand, a link in the description below. Well, that's it for the Anker Powerconf H700. Hope you enjoyed this video and found this review helpful. If you do, leave a thumbs. If you have any questions and people's also to answer regarding those questions, everything in the comment section below. Well, that's it for me right now. Catch you guys in the next one. See you.